Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, we'll talk about something really important in SQL, which is window functions. Okay, so window functions are powerful because they allow us to perform calculation across a set of rows without collapsing the result into a single row, like normal aggregate functions do. So in this video, we'll explore those. We'll start with the basic and then look at some common window functions like row number, rank, dense rank, and NTILE. We'll talk about everything one by one. So let's quickly start. So here I have created employee table, okay, and then that table has employees data from different departments and their salaries as well. Okay. Now let's talk about the basic window function syntax. Okay, so this is the basic form we have to follow. We have the function name, right? And we have this over, and after that we have the window. So together we call it window function. Okay, so here, like the partition, what it does, it will divide the data into groups, like a group by, like you can say the group by, right? But without collapsing the rows. Okay. Similarly, we have order by, which will defines the order inside each group. Okay. So remember the syntax. We have to provide the function name and we have to provide the window as well. Okay. So let's talk about it. Firstly, let's check about the first window function, which is row number. So let me write the query first. So I have added this function, like the row number function inside of this function name, right? And I want to partition it by the department name and order by their salary in descending order. Okay, so let's quickly run this. Now with this query, what we did, where we assign a unique row number to each employee in their department. So as you can see over here, we got a new column over there, say row number. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, because there are like 3 people in finance department, 2 people in HR and 2 people in IT. Like as you can see over here, so 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, and then we got their row number based on their salary. Okay, even if like 2 employees have the same salary, they still get a different numbers. So let's say for the example, like 70,000 we have. Okay, for IT, 2 employees have the same salary. But as you can see, the row number is like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this way we can assign a unique row number to each and every employee in each department. Okay, with the help of this row number function. Similarly, we can make use of the rank function as well. So instead of doing row number over here, what we can do simply rank. And if we do that, and here also, let's change the name to rank. We can say as rank num. Okay. And if we run this query actually gives us rank based on the salary inside each department. And as you can see over here, we are getting the rank number. Let's say for similar salaries, we are getting the same rank. Okay, so the employees with the same salary get the same rank, but if 2 employees like died, the next rank is skipped. Like for here, we are getting 1 rank for both the employees, right? But for the third employee, we are not giving them second rank. We are giving them third rank. Okay, so this happens. But in row number, it was like 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. So simply if we use a rank, it will like if the 2 employees share rank 1, the next will be rank 3, not rank 2. Okay. Let's quickly talk about another one, which is dense rank. Like one key difference is that it does work like rank exactly, but it will not skip the ranks. So let's quickly do, instead of doing this, what we have to do dense, and then we have to do rank, and I'll say dense rank clear as well. Okay, so let's quickly run this. And as you can see over here, it's not skipping the ranks. Okay, although for the same salary, it's giving us same rank like 1 and 1, but for the 55,000 salary in the finance department, so what it is giving me, it's giving me rank as 2. So that is the difference between rank and dense rank. Okay, so it won't skip the rank, but in case of rank, if we have two similar 1 1, then after that it will give me 3. Okay, so that is the major difference over here. So simply like rank will skip the ranks if there are like similar salaries or similar values, but 10th rank, it won't skip the rank. Now let's comment this out, and let's talk about something really, really important, which is NTILE. Okay. So what NTILE actually does is it will divide the rows into n groups as evenly as possible. Okay. And it is mainly used when we want to categorize data into buckets, like let's say we want to get the value of like top 25% or maybe next 25%. Okay. Or maybe we can divide the employees based on high, medium, low salary bands. Okay. So based on that, we can use NTILE. So think of NTILE as like it's a grouping data by performance or distribution. Okay. So let's take an example quickly. Let me just write the query. I have added here, you have to put the entire function over there. And we're just doing the same thing, the partition by department and order by salary. Okay. So now here, what we are doing is we are dividing into three groups. Entire three means we are dividing into three groups. So there will be first rank, second, like first one, second one, and third one. Three groups are there. One will be with highest, one will be with the middle one, and one will be with the lowest. So let's say we'll talk about this one. Let's say Frank, Grace, and Hannah. So three of them, they have different salaries. Like Grace and Hannah have same salaries. Let I run this query. So what it will does, it will divide it. Let's say for finance, salary group, first group, like Grace will be there with higher salary. Second, Hannah will be there. Third, Frank will be there. Similarly for IT, Eva, Charlie, and David, we have. So 80,000 Eva has it, right? So she will be on the first group. Charlie with the second salary, like 70,000, he will be on the second group. So based on this, we can divide them, or we can split them into three salary groups, highest to lowest. Okay. And you can make it 3, 4 like that as well. Now let's do one more thing. What we can do, we can divide employees into high, medium, and low earners, not based on their departments. Okay. But as an employees, we can divide them into high, medium, and low earners. So let's quickly do that. So for that, what I'm going to do, let's say I'll take their only name and salary over there. And from here, let's say make it group of 4 over. And let's say we don't do partition here, remove the partition by department. Okay, as let's say we can do it quarter from employees. So let's quickly run this. As you can see over here, I divided them, all the employees based on their salaries into 4 groups. Like now, Eva and Charlie, they will be on the first group. Now the other 2% after that will be on the second, then third, then fourth. So this way we will be dividing. So quartile 1 is like top 25 earners. Similarly, quartile 4 like the bottom 25 earners. Okay. So this way also we can do it. So in analytics, NTILE is used to segment customers into groups based on their purchase value or their loyalty score. So we can divide them into some groups using this. Okay. So in short, what we can say, like row number, rank, 10th rank, give us the position of it. NTILE will give you which bucket or group a row belongs to. And based on that, we can use it. Right. And that is for like window functions. We can use row number when you need unique numbering. We can use rank, 10th rank when you care about ranking with ties. Okay. And we can use NTILE to split data into groups. Okay. I hope you have understood it. And in the upcoming videos, we'll explore more topics.